Ooh, who's here?
Santa!
Give Daddy a hug.
Hey, buddy. What's that?
We got presents.
Wow, you got presents? How many?
One. Hey, look at this one.
Who's that, Chuck? That's for Charlie.
This for Charlie. Can I open this one?
Oh, thanks, buddy.
Yeah,
Can I
that's,
tackle him?
Is this mine?
Chuck, look.
I think so. Go ahead and start
Chuck,
opening them.
look.
Woo!
I got this.
Wow, a Palace pet. Oh, that's for Choo-Choo.
Uh-oh. I got Mama. Look, I got.
Let me see. A Palace pet. Wow.
Hello, I'm Thomas. Tidman Shed. I'm on my way.
Wow.
Hello, sir. Hello, Thomas. Do not delay. Please hurry to Brendam Docks. I'm on my way. I can get there faster. Gordon, I'm as fast as any engine. Let's go.
Hey, you guys. Hey, you guys. Are you going to open other presents?
I'm the one to do.
You are?
What's this one?
Let me see. Well, yours has your name on it. But can you see your name, Gretchen?
Dad. This
Chuck.
There's Charlie.
Choo-choo.
No, that's Charlie.
This one?
And that one's Charlie.
Where's mine?
Here. This is yours.
I know which one it is. Yeah.
Who is it?
Ariel!
Ariel. Wow.
Hey, let's open some other presents.
Okay.
Can I open that one for Charlie?
Yes, you can.
Okay. You know what this one is?
No, I think it's from Santa.
I want to see what it is for Charlie.
Okay.
We start at the end.
Yeah, let's see. What'd he get? Wow.
A caster.
A cash register. Cool. I'll open it up.